Hello my dear friends, we are continuing on our data privacy learning series and we are on to the letter I. Today we're going to be talking about a word in data privacy called identifiability. Now the word identifiability just means the extent to which a user or your customer can be identified based on the data that's available. Now the less identifiable your user is, the less risky their data is. Now let's use an illustration. We have a glass of milk here. Now, by looking at it, you probably can tell that it's a glass of milk. Now, but you may not be able to tell what kind of milk it is. You may not be able to tell if it's dairy milk or if it's non-dairy milk, like coconut, almond milk, or any type of milk. What that means is that if this were to be data, it has low identifiability because all you know about it is that it's milk. However, if I showed you the pack from which I got this milk out from, you begin to get a sense of what type of milk it is. So it's increasing its identifiability. And then voila, if I show you what kind of pack this came out from, now you can tell that this is coconut milk, which has indefinitely increased its level of identifiability. So now that you know that this is coconut milk with this additional level of information, it means that this data now has high identifiability. In data privacy, as much as possible, we want to be able to reduce the identifiability of our users because it prevents them from exposure to harm if their data were to be exposed. So as a data privacy compliance manager, as you work with your engineers and you work with your business partners, make sure that as much as possible before they use that data, they are reducing the identifiability of the customer data. I'll see you on the next one. Take care and share this with somebody that might need it.